Hello everyone, this is me Sajad Khan from Info TV channel, and today we will discuss how we can find a good product with Helium10 extension. So here we go. First we go into Chrome and then we searching Amazon.com. Amazon.com. So this is the main interface of Amazon.com. Now we searching kitchen suite. Kitchen suite. So this is the result of kitchen suite keywords. And now we clicking on Helium10. So now we're clicking on X-ray. So the search volume of kitchen suite is 18,376, and this is all the main keywords. Kitchen suite is the main keyword of kitchen suite. So now we're going to check. This is the price. This is consistent price or not consistent price. So this is not consistent price because this is a big difference in the prices. Now we're going to check BSR. So there are some BSR are good and some are bad. Now we're going to check review count. So review count is also good. Sorry, we're going to check rating. So the rating is good. Now we're checking going to review count. So first one is 100 and this is sponsor. So first we remove to sponsor product. We found only one product that price is below 100 and top 10. So we're rejecting this product because the review count is bad.